Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. Welcome back to another video from Captain Manny. Today's video, guys, as you know, we're gonna knock out the 2G on these G series videos that we're doing. Today's video, guys, we're gonna be using this 3-inch pipe that I have here. It has a nice bevel already. It has a nickel landing, very good. This pipe is schedule 80. All right, so for a spacer, I'm just gonna use this I'm pretty sure it's like 3/32 space. That should be good. You know, the more space you have, the bigger the gap, obviously, the better penetration you're gonna get, especially if you're doing a test. I wouldn't mind, you know, practicing, you know, with a big gap. I remember back in school, our teacher always tell us, you know, to use 1/8 gap all the time, because if you use, you know, if you can weld 1/8 gap, you know, then you'll be golden. But that should be good. We're gonna attack this side right here, and then we'll pull this one out, and then trying to close it because it's gonna be kind of big. Attack this other side and go to town. All right, so for the root, we're gonna use 60-10, 1/8, and then since this is horizontal position, you can, you know, start right here. But since we're right-handed, we're gonna probably gonna start right here, work yourself halfway, and same thing over here. Do a half pass with 60-10 again, and cap it with 80-10. All right, so that's the plan for today, guys. This horizontal pipe right here, trying to knock that out. All right, so without further ado, let's get it going. Sexy welding people from YouTube, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to share this video with your friends, make sure you share it. Don't forget to subscribe right here on the bottom. And that was it for today's video, guys. We knocked out the 2G of the G series. Next is a 5G, so stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you next time. All right, stay safe out there and keep welding. Adios.